Hey my beautiful subscribers, I completely forgot to record a intro for this video, but as you can tell, it's going to be a 90s inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Bye-bye. Girl, are you checking on my eyebrows? Because I'm checking on my eyebrows. If you guys want to see how to do your eyebrows at home with wax, I'll link the video in the description box below. One thing I absolutely love about this foundation is that it oxidizes to my perfect shade, and it gives me a really nice, flawless, natural coverage. Like, it just evens out my skin tone and looks perfect. You guys, my allergies were absolutely kicking my butt and I was so over it. But I pushed through. Thumbs up this video if you make this ugly face when you're putting on your under eye powder. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. Fun fact about me, I actually hate hanging earrings and hoops. I feel like they don't flatter my face at all, but I still did it just for this video for you guys.